Hello everyone. For today's mini lesson, let's talk about how to use either as a determiner. We can use either as a determiner before a noun. We use it to talk about a choice between two things. I don't want either meal. They both look horrible. This means there are two meals, and I don't want them. I don't want one meal, and I don't want the other meal. She could go to either school. They are both good. This means there are two schools, and it doesn't matter which one she goes to. We use either before a singular countable noun. Let's review. Change the sentences so that they use either. 1. There are two books, and I'm happy with either book. 2. There are two dresses, and she didn't like either dress. 3. There are two cars, and they don't want either car.